to do another test with two gins that I've been comparing. This one is the Freeland Spirits from Portland. It's woman-owned, and according to the website, it's the first and only women-owned and women-run distillery in history. And this is Aria. It's a Portland gin. It's one of my favorites. Okay, so the first time I did a kind of martini that does the most least amount of vermouth. This time I'm going to do it according to the name David Wondrich. Tell me the truth, I didn't know what the rest of it says. But don't tell me. Anywhere from 3/4 of an ounce of vermouth to an ounce. The reason why I do that is because the gin's good. So let's pretend I just chop these. And express lemon. Get those oils in there. Express. Nice. Again, I stir because that's the way I like to do my cocktails. Better, I prefer it over shaking pretty much all the time. I'm going to play some electric guitar. It's an amazing martini. Lots of spices, very citrus forward. Okay, this one. I choose this one right away. I love this one. And it's number 2. It's the Freeland. This one lost itself once we added the vermouth and everything, and this one just kind of came alive. Yay for the woman-owned distillery. They have this cool little logo.